time for another unboxing video. So I did already open it because I didn't want to waste a bunch of time trying to figure it out. So we're just gonna hop right into it. First, so I did open it, but I don't know what is in here. I didn't open any of it, so we're just gonna make a big mess. And I am not, this is cute. I am not going to hang these because I didn't want to waste time. This is cute. So it is paisley print. It looks like it has this stretchy kind of empire waist. It has the crisscross just right here on the chest. Spaghetti straps that do adjust, which is huge, by the way. And this is like a soft, like a silky feel to it. Has a liner. This is going to be so cute for actually all year. So you can wear this in the summer. It'll be cute underneath cardigans. I don't know what size this is. Let's see. It's extra large. So I know we got it at least through small through extra large. So that's first one. Let's see. Next up is cute. Look at this. So blousey fabric. It's really soft. It's almost silky, but it's like a different, like a, I don't know, it's weird. You'll have to feel it. Not weird. It's awesome. V-neck looks like it has this little fun little fold over pleat right here. It has black and brown, like black and mocha polka dots on it. Little ruffle sleeves. So cute. And I did order all of these, but it's been a while, so this is kind of a surprise for all of us. Let's see this one. Oh, this is fun. Sweatshirt. So this is a small. So you can see it's going to be, I'm going to guess, it's going to be like loose with your normal size. Just fun. So it's like a cream color, has almost like a bronze color to it, blue. It's got stretch to it, super lightweight. It's like terry fabric, you can see right here. So super lightweight, banded on the bottom, cute for fall. I don't even know what all I ordered. I have to like look at it before I can show you guys. Tank top. So cute. This is nice. So these are stretchy. It's got these fun colors right here. V-neck on the front, sleeveless, of course. This is, this is like soft, like not quite jersey fabric. I don't know if you can see. It's like a tri-blend. So stretchy. This is the small I think I grabbed. Fun, different colors. This would be great for now. And under a cardigan, look at all these colors that you can match with it. Mustard cardigan. Somebody needs to pair that with a mustard cardigan. I'm trying to dig through. I'm trying to find the smaller sizes so that we kind of know. I can usually get a good idea of how the sizing is going to be if I can look at a smaller or medium. This is fun. Oh, this is small. This is small, so this is definitely oversized. So it's white. It's got brown, like mocha, print, floral print on it. It's like a tropical floral print. Stretchy. It's like structured but stretchy. It's a good feeling fabric. V-neck, again, another one. Good for now, well, for all seasons and into fall. It has fun side slits right here. So I'm gonna have to, this says, the bag said that it was a small. So, yep, small, so definitely oversized. We're gonna have to try this on, see how it fits. So cute. And next, now I'm gonna have to, while we're doing all this, I'm gonna have to figure out what we're gonna check in first. So what I like to do, which kind of something I'm really visual, so I hang up one of everything that we have, and then I go through and decide what we want to check in and in what order. Do you guys remember this in white and hot pink? They sold out, and I know a lot of people who got one color and then came back and got another color. We got it in black. So short sleeve sweater. It has the side slits right here. It's, if you saw the white and pink, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So now looks like we got it in black. And this, I'm guessing this one's a long sleeve. How thick it is. Oh, this is fun. So it's green, obviously. V-neck. It's like waffle kind of, but it's a little bit thicker on the inside, banded on the bottom, kind of like a sweatshirt. I'm kind of digging this. So like it's got the cuffs, the band on the bottom, really pretty color. I think this is going to be good for just like throw on and go. Probably be, I mean, it's full coverage, so you'll be able to dress it up, dress it down. Not super heavy, but not super lightweight either. So it's going to be kind of perfect. White. I always stress about bringing white in because I feel like I always get it dirty before it even hits the racks. Obsessed. Look at how cute. So this is a really soft, lightweight, stretchy, almost like kind of like jersey fabric, but not. I don't know how to explain it. You'll have to feel it. It's pretty great. So white with navy blue stripes, has the zipper right here and like a mock kind of collar. This would be good right now and in spring. This is a very nautical vibe, and this is a small, so this is going to be perfect. So I'll probably wear a small or a medium in it. Love this. You can wear it zipped up. You can wear it zipped down. Add a cami underneath it if you want to. Wear it as like a, kind of like a jacket. Let's go with, find a small. It's black. I don't know what it is. Lots of black, apparently. Ooh, tank top. You like how I have it like off screen so like you can't see it, and then it's a surprise. I have to see it first. So tank top, halter tank, V-neck, ruffles around the top, has these ties right here. So this company does this a lot. They put these drawstrings on here. You can cut them off. They, like right here, you can see where they're sewn right here. You can cut them off if you don't like them. Halter tank, it is double layered, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. It's blouse fabric. No stretch blouse fabric. Fun little pleat right there. If you know what? If you need to wear, well, most of us need to wear like a normal bra. You can wear a normal bra with this, like a black one, and it'll just see the strap right here. People don't really care anymore. You can pretty much wear whatever you want. I just realized that I have this massive little cowlick thing going on here. It's distracting. It's sticking out. Or you can wear a bralette, or a lot of the bras now you can get, and they'll crisscross in the back, so that'll be good. This will be good. Date night, for work even, because it's not super low, it's not super low. I think this is the last one. I think we got like 10 things in this shipment. This is definitely fall colored. Ooh, this is nice, so cute. So it's like a rust color. Look at these flowers. It's got that wavy rib and so stretchy. And hood, kangaroo pocket, banded bottom. It's lightweight, so it's gonna be perfect for transitioning into whatever season. Like I said, super stretchy, and I dig the feel of this. Look at the print. It's so cute. So I think that's all we got right now. And then you saw the stuff we did, the unboxing that we did the other day. So now I've got to figure out what we're going to check in first. So if you're watching this, let me know. Drop in the comments. Send me a message. What do you want to see checked in first? Thanks for hanging out with me. See you later.